Hello, my dear friend. Today again we are going to see transformation. As already we have seen, transformation means where structure of a sentence changes but not the meaning. In earlier previous videos we have seen that change of voice from active voice to passive voice is transformation. Because when we speak active voice sentences, I write a letter, and when we speak in passive voice, a letter is written by me. That is transformation, because both the meaning of active and passive are same. As we have seen, transformation of affirmative to negative also, that how to change them. If I say that Ram is an honest boy, and if we say that Ram is not a dishonest boy, this is also a transformation, because he is an honest boy and he is not a dishonest boy. Both are same thing. This is called transformation, where structure is different but their meaning is same. We have seen that from affirmative to interrogative when we change. If simply we want to say in affirmative that Gandhiji was a great leader, so somewhere on certain situation we can express the same sense by asking, was Gandhiji not a great leader? Actually I want to say that he was a great leader, but by asking question I am giving extra emphasis on this sentence, that was Gandhiji not a great leader. This is transformation. Somewhere we can change, for example, money does not grow on trees. पैसा पेड़ पर नहीं उगता है. And if we say that, does money grow on trees? This is transformation. Again and again, repeatedly, one by one, I have given some example just to explain this transformation. Change of voice is transformation. In the same way, change of a direct narration to indirect narration is also this is called transformation. Why? Because when we say something in direct narration, he said to me open the door, and indirect narration if we say that he ordered me to open the door, both are same thing. He said to me open the door, this is indirect narration, because exactly the sentence from the speaker I am quoting here, because he said open the door. Same thing he said to me, comma, inverted comma under, I said open the door. But if I say that he ordered me to open the door, this is indirect. This is also a kind of transformation, that how to speak the same sense in different structural form. Now my dear friend, I am going to tell you certain other transformation. For example, how to change parts of his speech. Just by changing the parts of his speech, we are going to tell that somewhere if there is noun, we can change them into verb. The sense will be same but structure will become different. For example, if I say that he has knowledge of everything, be careful. Attention please, try to understand this sentence. He has knowledge of everything. If I say knowledge, this word is noun. He has knowledge of everything. But if I want to use in different way this sentence, he has knowledge of everything. So this knowledge word has been derived from know. Know means janna and knowledge means gyan. So simply I can say, in that sentence I have said he has knowledge of everything. In another way I can say that he knows everything. This is very simple. He knows everything. Present simple tense, he knows everything. वो हर चीज जानता है. He has knowledge of everything. He knows everything. So this is called transformation. Just by changing the parts of his speech. Because the word knowledge was noun and I change it in the form of a verb. We can take some other example. For example, he gave the correct answer. उसने सही उत्तर दिया. So he gave the correct answer. Here answer, the word answer is noun. He gave the correct answer. This is a noun. But in another way I can speak that he answered correctly. He gave the correct answer. This same sense can be said he answered correctly. But what is the difference? There he gave the correct answer. That answer is noun according to parts of his speech. And he answered correctly. Here answered is past tense of answer verb. So this is the difference. In the same way we can say that he gave the correct reply. He gave the correct reply, and we can say that he replied correctly. Another few examples I can give from noun to verb. He made a right decision to go there. Here this sentence I am using, he made the right decision. He made the right decision to go there. उसने वहां जाने के लिए सही फैसला किया. So this word decision is here now. He made the right decision to go there. But I can say that he decided rightly, in a right way, to go there. Simply I can say he decided to go there, but he decided in a right way to go there. Or he decided to go there. So the difference is between decision and decided. The word decided is verb and decision is noun. He gave a very good suggestion to play in the field. So he gave a very good decision to play in the field. So this, a suggestion, not decision, already we have used. He gave a very good suggestion to play in the field. Because few boys, they were playing on the road. So that's why someone suggested him to go and play in the field. So he gave a suggestion to play in the field. And simply in a verb form we can say that he suggested us to play in the field. So this use of suggestion and suggested, this is the difference, change of parts of his speech, where suggestion is noun and suggested is verb. My dear friend, here I have explained, I have given few examples from this noun and verb, because I want to keep the video short. That's why it is better to stop this, and again in the next video I will give another example of this transformation which will be interesting for you.